How to make the best cup of tea in 3 steps. Step 1. Grab your favourite mug. Then let's drop in that tea bag. Yorkshire tea, of course. Step 2. Add that nice hot water. I like to use just off boiling, so not too hot. Give it a really good stir. And then I do the thing that everyone says that you shouldn't. I give the tea bag a really good squeeze. Just adds to the flavour. Step 3. Add a milk of your choice, whatever it may be. And give it that good last stir. Obviously got to tap the side of the mug. And there we go, in all its glory. Thanks for watching.